They're getting ready for the waterfall captain's party. The captain comes and pours it in, and then it trickles down to the bottom, and you can get in line and get free, champagne. I had to get new eye drops because the other ones I had weren't working, and these were $10 in the celebration area of the piazza, which is the atrium, if you didn't know.
The place that has the alcohol.
Yeah, it's pretty much where the cigars and everything, alcohol is all at. $10 is a lot. I tried to find one out when we were out today, but I couldn't find any like drugstores, so I had to get it on the ship, and it was $10. We're all ready for formal night. I'm wearing a red dress, and I have red lipstick on, and it doesn't match. I also have a different color red nails, so whatever, but this is what I'm wearing. I've seen ladies in very sparkly gowns and like men in like full tuxedos. That's what I was worried about coming on Princess, because I wasn't sure how formal they get. I think it's just up to you, but this is what I'm wearing. I also have a few other dresses that I brought, so I'll probably wear those some. Also, I put eyelashes on, and I think I put them on backwards, but I'm not taking it off and doing it again, so hopefully they don't fly away. But the tip when you're going to the Allegra dining room is go to the aft elevators and then go down to 6. To floor 6. You'll save yourself so much time. The waiters are all dressed up. They look very nice. They were in the Allegro dining room. This is their first night being here. It's formal night tonight. Everybody's dressed up. And everybody's happy. Somebody dropped at 5. Is that yours?
Yeah.
You're welcome. I'll look at the menu. Sorry about the squiggly lines. For bread, I just have a regular piece of bread. This is what the bread looks like tonight, and I also have some butter. What did you get?
Beef salad or fruit salad, the beef tenderloin, and the love boat.
The lump crab cake and the halibut.
And I got the fruit salad, and then the main dish I got the Alfredo.
The Alfredo's a winner. It's really good. If you have a chance to try it, you should definitely try it. I got a pina colada. It's formal night, so I was gonna get it. Oh no, I forgot to bring a straw. And I'll tell you how much this pina colada is in just 1 second. Everything's on the app now, so you can just check your app. But here's the reference. Here's my hand, and here's the glass. It was $11.80 for this. I mean, that's like a normal price, I feel like. For cruise ships. It's tiny, yeah. We need to find the, I mean, I'm not planning on having a lot of drinks, but like if I was gonna go one, I need to find the bar that has the big drinks. So here's the fruit salad. That was delicious. I like scarfed that down in 2 seconds. It was so good. Everybody else was eating theirs faster. Was yours good? Did you have a different one?
Yeah, it's real good. The crab cake.
You like yours?
Yeah, we eat it every day.
I would too. It's good. Very good. This is this was the what was it? Fruit something. Fruit salad. Yeah, fruit salad. It's really good. Very good. Also, the pina colada is good. Straw. It is small. Yeah, my hands are very small. So compared to other cruise lines, it's a small, but it's fine. So I got gnocchi with truffle cream, I think. And then she got the Alfredo. Yep. You got the halibut. And Zachary got what?
Beef tenderloin.
Beef tenderloin.
Some cheese potatoes.
Oh, just a little bit. That's good. Thank you.
Want some cheese for you?
Sure. Thank you.
Mashed potatoes.
How's yours?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Well, go ahead.
It's better than a steak.
It's better than the steak?
Yeah, way better.
That's good. Like, is it just made differently or what?
It just tastes better. The steak wasn't good.
Is it seasoned or what?
What?
Seasoned then?
No, it just tastes better. It was like the meat.
And yours is good? That's good. It tastes just like the Alfredo that I had yesterday. It's good. They brought the menu back to us, so we're reordering dessert, and I'm still gonna have the creme brulee. Got the creme brulee. Zachary got the loco. She got, what'd you get?
Caramel cheesecake.
And you got the hazelnut bar.
Hazelnut bar, yeah.
It tastes like the candies you get at Christmas with cherry in the middle.
Oh, I think
Is it? Yeah.
yeah. It's good?
Extra, yeah?
Ooh, well, thank you. Fancy. They gave us an extra one. That was nice.
Very chocolatey.
Yeah, I figured it would. That creme brulee was better than the one yesterday. It was really, really good. Even the one yesterday was good, but this one was better. How was the love boat?
Good. It's like that cherry candy though.
How was
Really
yours?
good. It said hazelnut, but you really can't taste the hazelnut that much.
Yeah, it looks good. Yeah. And then we had this peach ice cream, I think it was. It was really good.
You also have a very nice cafe inside there as well. And so if you are staying in Blarney over the lunchtime period, we'll go to Blarney Village is because...
So now we're sitting in the piazza, also known as the atrium, and we ordered some drinks. Here is the menu if you want to take a look. See? I have a pina colada. So they have Hawaiian Tropics, Captain's Bounty, Ultimate Lure, Hurricane, Mai Tai, the Tropics, Dark and Stormy, Bahama Mama, Pina Colada, Strawberry Daiquiri, Dirty Banana. I'm not surprised Pina Colada is not higher because that's like a go-to drink. Pina Colada, Zachary's Margarita. What?
Strawberry daiquiri.
And he got a rum and coke. I wasn't going to get another one, but here we are.
I just want to live my life.
So now we're back in the Princess Theater. And we have better seats tonight. Well, not better seats, but closer seats. This show's supposed to be really, really good. That's all anybody has talked about all day is this show, so we shall see how well it actually is.
I've got a feeling called the blues. Oh, since my baby said goodbye.
Our final singer, our final talent of the evening. Joining us for the final competition. Everyone please put your hands together for finalist number 6. We have Carlos!
We just got back from the Bravo show. I really enjoyed it. I think if you like musical theater or if you like opera, you'll really enjoy it.
Yeah, I liked it better than the first night.
I disagree. I like the Jason Keeler better, but I still like this show a lot.
Yeah, because this was like mostly opera.
Yeah, if you don't like opera or
Like there's very few songs.
musical theater, like Broadway type thing, you probably wouldn't like. Anyways, I think it was a really good show. Like I said, it's a good show, but they only had like 2 modern-ish songs, like Adele and Queen. We couldn't film in there, obviously, and then we went and watched the last 2 auditions for The Voice of the Ocean, which is really a cool opportunity for people to cruise Princess. Yeah, it's very cool. So basically, you audition, obviously, and then people vote, and they pick the finalists. They pick 6 finalists, and then at the end of the cruise, you go to the big theater and perform with the live band of the cruise ship. And you have like a mentor that
Professional singers.
yeah, like that are professional singers from the performers of the ship, and they mentor you, obviously. And then at the end of the cruise, like I said, you perform in front of everybody, and they pick a winner. I've never seen that done on a cruise ship. This is our 11th cruise. I've never seen that done. This is our first princess, so maybe that's why, but I thought that was really interesting. And one of our favorite people were chosen. Her name's Sue. We're rooting for you, Sue. What was your favorite part of the day?
Dinner.
Really?
Yeah, so we didn't do anything important.
I like seeing the castle, and I liked...
You saw a castle. I don't know. Today was probably my least favorite port I've ever won. Like, it was one I was least excited for.
Yeah.
That and Wales.
It was a beautiful place, though. I just wish if it wasn't on a Sunday, yeah, they would have had more things to do. My favorite part was probably pina coladas.
Yeah, that and the music. I don't know. They listen to music.
Yeah. I don't know. I like the gnocchi too. I don't know. Maybe I'm just a food person. Anyways, so thank you so much for watching. There will be more vlogs coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye.